Engine bay cleaning. I prefer to work on a cleaner engine, one that doesn't leave me as black as my t-shirt when I'm done working on it. So we're going after Marco's van here with a pressure washer before we get started. There's really nothing to be afraid of. Orange tip on your pressure washer, not too powerful of a pressure washer. If you've got a real big one, maybe go to the yellow tip that fans out a little more. I start at the bottom and spray all the oil pan off and everything first, because pretty soon this grass is going to get wet and I don't want to be kneeling in it. And then if you want to glance around inside here a little bit, get kind of a before shot. We're going to be cleaning all that black yuck off of down there, and all of this oil off from around the, all of this oil from around the EGR here. We're going to clean that all off. And more over here on the turbo side. Actually, this one's pretty clean on the turbo side, but we're going to go ahead and clean it all anyhow. Like I said, nothing to be afraid of here. Just get it wet, get it clean. Here we go. Never hurts to make sure your engine oil dipstick is down tight. We don't want water getting in there. It should be down, but never hurts to double check these things. Also, up in here is a good spot that always collects a lot of dirt. Right now it's pretty clean, so we want to keep that clean. So I'm going to pressure wash that whole track. Moisture causes rust, dirt holds moisture. Let's get that dirt out of there. The battery tray is another area that likes to collect leaves and moisture and all kinds of dirt, so it's best to clean that out when we get the chance. Yeah, so the air conditioner is still dirty. Inside of this pillar here is still dirty. So I'm just looking for dirt and washing it out. So after washing the engine, I want to dry it off. My Cobalt 2000 Nimbus 630 maybe, I don't know. All right, now we'll be ready to work on the van in just a couple minutes. It'll be dry enough.
Good.
Yeah, so now I don't know if you remember how black this was before, but now things are kind of clean. In a little bit they'll be dry. Yeah. Maybe clean's not the word. Cleaner for sure.
He was like crying and disgusting. Big difference. Wow. I can see now.
And normally I would take this top off and dry out inside there as well. We'll get to that a little bit later today though. I don't want to have too many things taken apart at once. And then drive to warm the van and make sure everything's really dry.